This is a brand new 2012 Kia Sportage. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a V6, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include a locking differential, a navigation system, a sunroof, heated seats, commercial-free satellite radio, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: traction control and stability control systems, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a security system, fog lamps, roof rails, an anti-lock braking system, a folding second row, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Thank you for considering Jerry Smith Kia for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. For additional information, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 101 North Hills Boulevard, just off the I-5. We look forward to serving you.